So right after Avengers Infinity War came out, there was a lot of requests for me to try to explain many of the elements in the movie, and of course one of them was the big debate in regards to the Soul Stone in the MCU and what exactly happens in that scene where Thanos is talking to a child Gamora. I gave you guys my thought and sort of broke down exactly what I thought was happening, and recently it's been confirmed by the directors of Infinity War what exactly was going on, and as it turns out, I was more or less spot on along with the other people that were kind of going in the same direction. So in case you missed it, I'm going to reiterate it here and give you guys my thoughts now on that and why it officially, I think, makes everything even better. So the theory I propose is that Gamora isn't actually dead, but she's trapped inside of the Soul Stone, because when he sacrifices her soul to gain the Soul Stone. And she's now trapped inside of it, kind of living in that realm, and he can visit her, but she's in the most innocent state she's ever been in before Thanos twisted her. And I said I arrived at that idea because it's all orange in the background, like the Soul Stone, so this is where you go once your soul is trapped. And the Russo brothers have confirmed, yes, this is exactly what happens in it. And honestly, I think this is a great way to take it, because just imagine that you can trap someone's soul for eternity into this rock, like into this other realm. That's pretty powerful, right? Because you can, like, they just cease to exist. They're existing in this one plain little place for eternity with their own thoughts and ideas and torture. Like, that's pretty powerful. So if the stone is lost, you're going to be there for like, what, thousands of years? You're going to go stir crazy and mad. And I think that's honestly pretty awesome and pretty insane. And honestly, how this comes into play, I think, is going to be a bigger deal with Avengers 4 than I think most of us even are willing to try to understand and comprehend right now. But it's quite clear that the Soul Stone is going to be very important going forward. And this excites me a lot because it's pretty ballsy to have this in there and go, well, here's the new power of the stone. So if you're going to get some of these characters out, doesn't that necessarily mean you have to sacrifice somebody else into it? So if Gamora's coming back, who's going to sacrifice themselves to bring her back and put themselves into the Soul Stone for eternity? That's pretty insane.